My wallet is blanche. And where I'm from, they say the wallet is blanche. It's empty, clean. So clean, it's white. White, like zombie teeth. In my language, just say blanc ou dans zombie. Okay, that's how clean my wallet is. Blanche, like zombie teeth. Okay, so when I say nini, it's just nini, strictly nini. It's not money. I'm grateful for my health. I'm grateful for my life. I'm grateful for all of you guys. Whatever you are, I'm grateful for every single one, every single thing. Even when you hate me, I'm grateful for you. Please. Now, with that being said, one time, if you don't feel good, say, Latin. If you're mad, say Latin. If you're happy, say Latin.
When I'm about to mbappe is so sido make you pass from now. Jamais ça plaît. So Miami, so Jenniferlopez, so Boston, so
Crazy things. Before this thing that happened with chrisrock and Smith, before that, the thing I remember, it wasn't last year. That was the last thing I remember. It was in the Super Bowl with Justintimberlake and janetjackson. You gonna do us that favor this year? No kids can watch this show, okay? Super Bowl show, no kids is allowed to watch this show. We're not trying to get to. You gotta be 18 or over to watch the Super Bowl show, okay? Now, everything is clear. Riri, baby. Whoo. Easy. Let me calm down. Much respect to asaprocky. Really? Oh, hey. Oh. You deserve all them billions. Then, the other thing that happened, willsmith, chrisrock, painful moment, yet great moment. Look, if you guys don't learn from chrisrock, I don't know who you're gonna learn from, okay? This is not science fiction, this is real life. chrisrock did what? Listen. If chrisrock was president, imagine chrisrock president. Next, unlike this other guy, kanyewest. Kanyewest, man, he done lost all the billions. My God. How did? Congratulations. You lost all these billions. You straight. Just take it easy, man. Take it slow. Take your time. Don't keep jumping. You know, it's not that video. What's that video you made again? Man. Oh, yeah. You remember when Russ was telling you? You just want the titties. What about all the ass? You see, you forgot about all the ass. You just went after all the titties. That's what happened to you. So, the ass is like 10 million times heavier than the titty. Depending on what kind of titty you had. Man, they're both heavy. I love them both. But listen, you... Don't worry about it. It's gonna kill you, man. It's gonna make you stronger. So you lost these 5 billions. Guess what? You're gonna make 3 times more. Easy, man. The other thing that happened last year, I've discovered Miss Haiti. Miss Haiti is a talented person. True talent. She is really an artist. She's making music. She's taking modeling pictures. I bet you she's an actress. Hey, I don't understand what's going on with willsmith. You've met with Miss Haiti. Oh, maybe that's how you did the movie Finally Emancipation. Miss Haiti got in your head. I know it. No problem. Hey, good job.
Fix your body, fix your body, fix your body.
Respect to Messi. Respect, you got it, man. You did your thing. But I don't know why they're saying you are the greatest ever. I don't know what they based it on. I understand you may be, but me, I already see the next one.
Mbappe, c'est saucé, nos mecs, tu passes comme non. Jamais ça